In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the audio tracks within OBS. And you might have seen them and you just wondered, what are they for, right? So I'm actually recording a second OBS live stream, or not a live stream, but a second OBS. So I will try to show you what it is I'm talking about. So first thing you want to do on the second screen, I'm over here now, is you want to go to your settings, and you've seen these before. Let's see it pop up. So you've seen these settings before where you go to audio and you see your desktop audio and all your other audio channels. I recommend you disable all of them. If you don't want a specific audio in your scene, then it's not going to automatically show up there. You have to explicitly put it in there. So on the output, now you have your streaming, recording, audio, and replay buffer. What I want to explain to you is what this audio track is doing here. See, on streaming, when streaming is selected, you can only choose one track. So in this case, it's number one, which is probably the case for most people. When you go to recording now, you have a checkbox instead of a radio button. So for the audio track, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you notice I have 1, 2, and 3 checked. So that when I record, if the audio levels are off on different tracks, I can edit them separately. So if my voice was way more quiet than the desktop audio, I can adjust just my voice and it recorded them separately. If you don't have this checked, it's not going to be that way. But now this isn't it. This is just the beginning. This is telling you how to record it, not what to record yet. So let's cancel out of here, and we're going to go down here to our audio mixer. And over in the audio mixer, you'll see in my scenes I don't have many audio channels here, so it's not going to make a whole lot of sense yet. So I'll click on this little gear icon right here and go to Advanced Audio Properties. Here you'll see what I have selected is basically there's only one audio channel, and it is selected on 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 tracks. That's doesn't make any sense, right? So let's make it make more sense for you. So to make more sense of it, let's click on a different track where I have multiple audios. So right here I have 2 audio channels. I have my Blue Yeti and my desktop audio. Let's click on the properties again, or the gear and advanced audio properties. And now you see both of my audio channels here. And now look at how they're checked. On the Blue Yeti, I have track 1 and track 2 checked, and nothing else. On the desktop audio, I have track 1 and track 3. Notice there's no track 2. So what I'm trying to get at is track 1 is both checked because they're going to be aggregated or integrated into one audio channel, and that's track 1. And track 1 was where you stream. So if you're streaming, you've got one shot to do this correctly, and that's it. But later on, if you're going to take that recording and edit it, you can see that I'm going to get out of this a track 1, which is an aggregate of both channels. I'm going to get a track 2, which is only my Blue Yeti, and a track 3, which is only my desktop audio. So that's it, and that will save you from having problems with audio, especially if you don't get your levels correct before you start your stream. This is really only good if you're streaming and recording at the same time, or you're recording and your audio levels were not exactly the way you thought they would be. I hope this helps, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and get some more tips on how to record and stream and do all the other good stuff.